Hey friends, I've got a collection of Ryobi 40 volt outdoor tools. Now here's the problem. Upgrading those batteries is really expensive, but it may not be anymore. These are aftermarket lithium ion 40 volt batteries and they're huge. You can see these are actually 6 amp hour batteries and you can purchase them on Amazon. Here's the best part. These things are really budget friendly compared to the actual Ryobi batteries. But are they any good? That's what we're gonna do on today's video. We're gonna do some testing. We're gonna try charging them with the normal Ryobi charger to make sure everything is appropriate and works. And then we're gonna give our quick review. Now let's really quick compare the different battery sizes that we have here. Obviously these are the OEM or the actual stock Ryobi batteries. This is the smaller 2 amp hour battery. Again, all these are lithium 40 volt. This one is a 4 amp hour battery. You can feel the difference between these two. It's a lot more here. And then this supposedly you can see is a 6 amp hour battery. Now again, look at it compared to this other 4 amp. Those are roughly the same size. In fact, this one has a little bit more length on it. So there's not really a big difference between these two, which doesn't bode a lot of confidence in this getting that full 6 amp hours that they advertise. So again, we'll have to do some more long-term testing to see if it actually outlasts the stock Ryobi battery. Okay, let's check the compatibility with the traditional Ryobi charger here. Now what we can do is basically just slot this in like normal. It fits over the regular slots here on the sides and just snaps right in. First thing we want to check is if we have green lights for charging on the Ryobi charger. It looks really good. We can also check the battery over here using the light system. And as you can see, it is indicating that it's charging as well. So that looks pretty good. Let's leave that on there and give this thing a full charge. Okay, so it's time for some testing. I'm out here in the backyard with 3 of my 40 volt tools, and we've got the chainsaw, we've got the leaf blower, this is the jet fan version, and then we've got a weed whacker. So all of these should be compatible with this battery. We're gonna test each one and make sure they run properly with these aftermarket batteries. Now again, these just slot on like the normal batteries. I can push it into place, it fits really well, and we can go ahead and give this thing a try. I'm gonna push the trigger here. Yeah, seems to be working really great. Let's try some of the other tools. Okay, here's the leaf blower. We'll go ahead and slot this into place, and we're gonna turn it on turbo mode here. Yeah, again, it seems to be working just great. Okay, and finally we have the 14-inch chainsaw here. Again, this battery just slides right into the slot on the side, and we are ready to give it a test. So there you go. Honestly, everything is working really well. Fully compatible with all of my 40 volt tools so far. And really, I think the only thing left is for us to be able to test longevity, to make sure these, again, advertised 6 amp batteries can really last longer than the 4 amp stock batteries that come from Ryobi. So that's gonna take a little bit more testing on our part. We really need to get out in the field, do some chainsawing, do a little bit of other work with some of our other tools, and make sure they last as long as the other ones. So stick around on the channel. We'll hopefully do a better long-term review video for those longer tests once we have opportunity on job sites to check these out. So there you go, friends. Those are budget-friendly replacement versions for your Ryobi tools, 40 volt lithium ion, huge 6 amp hour batteries. These things are really big. You get 2 of them in the package that we'll link in the description box below. Hopefully this video has helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for us, and then subscribe, because we actually make a ton of these little tool review videos to help make your shopping and hopefully your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.